Is Tantan. King. King Kong. King Kong. Wow. The Black Wolf. King Kong. King Kong. Tantan is. Siyempre, ang bagong member ng family. Si Kibol. Maxi. Max. Max. Good boy. Max. Good boy. Doberman, Maxi. King. King Kong. King. Wow. 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 Wow, pwede ko long form to. Wow, makapag long form na. Pero may mga papa ah. Wow. Tantan! Tantan! Wow, red eyes. Wow, yellow eyes si King Kong. Wow. Belgian Malinois. Ace Bawawaw. 6 months. Mas malaki na sa 2 years old na Aspin. Tantan. Kasi talagang delir nga mo sa ta. Wow, good boy. Ace! Ace, ace. Ace, ace. Wow. King! Good boy, King Kong. Good boy. King Kong. Si Tantan. Ayan sila oh. Dula-dulaan sila oh. Siyempre, di pa huli. Pasali mo ka ni mama.
Yeah.
Hindi, kakat ka itong February. Ang aming Doberman si Max Takibul. 1 month old. Tantan talaga. Kasali binti ko. Kagatin no? Paan ni mama eh. Wow, it's raining from Maligo. It's raining outside. Outside of the house. Yeah, here in the farm. Wow. Beautiful farm. Ace! Ace is King Kong. Good boy. King Kong. King Kong. Ace is. Wow, tap out ang hero. Good boy. Ah. Go. King. Good boy. Good boy, King. Good boy. Good boy. Good dog. Good dog. Good boy, King. Good boy. Mixed Rottweiler Belgian. King Kong. Knock out na si Ace. Knock out na si Ace Hansan.